Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1688 named Count of Matches in Tournament. In this problem, we are given an integer n, which is the number of teams in a tournament that has strange rules. Here, if the current number of team is even, each team gets paired with another team and a total of n by 2 matches will be played. And here, the n by 2 teams will be winner and those teams advance to the next round. And if the current number of team is odd, one team randomly advance in the tournament and the rest of them are get paired. And here a total of n minus 1 divided by 2 matches are played and n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 teams advanced to the next round. Now here we have to return the number of matches played in the tournament until a winner is decided. Now let's understand the first example. Here the value of n is 7, which is odd. So here initially total teams is 7 and the match played will be 3 and 4 team will be advanced because one team will be advanced to the next round randomly, and so there will be 6 teams. So here the total number of match will be 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So here the total number of match is 3. Now as the team is 4, so the match is 4 by 2, which is 2. So 2 team advanced. Now as there are 2 team advanced, so it is the final match. So here one match will be played between these 2 teams and finally one team decided the winner. So here we can see that the total number of matches will be 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. Similarly, for n is equal to 14, as 14 is an even number, so the total number of match will be 7 and 7 team advanced. And for the team 7, the rules are the similar to the example 1. So there will be 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So in total, 13 amount of teams or 13 amount of matches will be played. And the value of n is in between 1 to 200. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Here we can see that, let's take this example, n is equal to 14. Now there is total number of teams in the tournament, and after some amount of game, if the remaining amount of team will become 1, we can say that this remaining team is the winner. So we have to determine how many match is played in this tournament so that the total number of teams reduced from 14 to 1. This is the reduced problem statement. Now, as the value of 14 is even, so there will be 7 match will be played and the total number of team will be 7. This is the match and it is the team. Now as the team are 7, so the match will be played, which is 4, which is 7 divided by 2 plus 1, because 7 is an odd number. And total number of, there is a mistake. Here, the total number of match will be 7 divided by 2, which is 3. And the team advanced will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. Now, there are 4 teams, and the total number of match will be 4 divided by which is 2, and team advanced in the next round will be 2. Now there are 2 teams, and 2 divided by 2 will be 1. That means it is the final match, and the one team will remain the winner. So we can say that now the total number of teams becomes 1 after some iteration from 14 to 1. Okay, so far so good. Now we can see that the total number of matches played will be 13 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 13 as well. Now, this is the basic algorithm. We have to divide the n until it becomes 1 and calculate the corresponding team in the next match or in the next iteration and corresponding match played in the current round. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named number of matches. Integer n is a parameter, and the matches is 0. And we are running this loop until the n is not equal to 1. And here, if n is even, the matches will be matches plus n by 2, and n will become n by 2. Otherwise, if it is odd, then the matches will be n minus 1 divided by 2, and current team will be n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Finally, if n is equal to 1, we will break the loop and return the number of matches. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.